My name is JT Nesbitt, and I love motorcycles. I've had a constant rotating small collection. In fact, for the past 30 years, I've averaged buying 2 motorcycles a year. I'd like to share with you some of the bikes that are currently running around in my studio. This is one of my long-term projects. It's a 1932 Harley-Davidson VL chassis with a 1936 Harley U model engine. Sort of the ultimate American hot rod pre-war motorcycle. What's so inspiring about this particular platform are 2 things: the ergonomics and proportion. These seats were so good. Anyone who's ever ridden a vintage American motorcycle with the sprung saddle can tell you they're extremely comfortable. While not really good for a racetrack and modern road racing, the sprung saddle is a great idea for a touring motorcycle. In fact, Harley-Davidson has had a separate rider suspension system from 1903 to 1984. And they only abandoned it for reasons of production costs and aesthetics. There's no argument against the utility of a separate sprung saddle in a touring application. When it comes to proportion, what I mean is the distance between the top of the chassis to the bottom of the engine. You'll notice how compact that proportion is on these old motorcycles. I just love them, and it's time to move on to our first complete motorcycle.